AI designs. Anyone can design. Give a text and you are able to create designs like this. Real-time text effects. Create mobile app designs. Interactive PowerPoint slides. Web application designs. I created all of this myself using Claude Design by Anthropic Labs. Now it is available in Claude.ai and you can click on the design, which I think one of the reasons why Figma stock price is coming down. I'm going to take you through step by step. Even if you're a normal user with just a text prompt, you're able to create all these designs, make tweaks, changing colors, adding comments over this and making modification, editing the slides directly from here, draw anything and build anything from here, and finally to share and export. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Go to Claude.ai and click the design. There you got 4 different options. Want to prototype wireframe or high fidelity images, creating slide deck, or create a template and follow the same template again and again, or you can create your custom project. First, to prototype a mobile application. So you can just say mobile application, let's say wireframe, and then create. Now it presents a screen like this. On the left hand side you can conversation, and the right hand side you got the design. So here I can ask it to do anything. You can choose the model you want to use. You can attach any images if you got anything. You can have a conversation with your audio, or you can import any other things that is required, such as a Figma design or connecting to GitHub, web access, skills, etc. For now, I'm going to directly give a prompt. Create a simple iOS sign-up flow for a bike sharing app. Show screens on a canvas, and clicking send. Now it started preparing the design, and on the right hand side you can see the changes. It's preparing the design canvas. It's creating this bike sign-up wireframes.html. And finally, here is the wireframe. Pedal sign-up flow. Happy path. Welcome, sign-up method, then phone, OTP, profile, plan, payment, and then ready. See how simple it is to create wireframes for your next mobile phone application. You can just pass this information directly to any of the AI agents to build the whole application. No coding involved. Next, if you want to make any modification, there's the edit button here on the top right. Click on edit. There I can click any area and I can even edit the text. I can change the color and modify any information. Once after you're happy, you can just export by clicking export. You can download all the related files or export as a PDF, PowerPoint, and send to Canvas. To build the whole application from here, you can even hand off to Claude Code. And here is a command for that. As soon as I click that, you can just copy this prompt and then paste in your Claude Code for it to start working. Here is Claude Code. I can just paste the prompt like this and then click enter. That will automatically take the design from this location and build the whole application for me. Next, I want to show you how to build a PowerPoint, that is PPT. So for that option, you got the slide deck at the top here. So I can just say what type of PowerPoint I want or the project name. I'm going to say Praise in AI features. If I want speaker notes, I can just mention that here. Or if I don't want, I can just click create. Now it started creating. Now I'll give the prompt. Search about Praise in AI in GitHub, find the benefits and create me a presentation. And then clicking send. Now it's reading the GitHub profile, understanding the whole context, getting the assets. Now it started building. If you notice here, it's automatically building me a design template behind the scenes. So it's getting all the logos, images in that Git repo and preparing those details. It has already created a deck outline, the title, the problem, and all the list of benefits. And here is the PowerPoint which it created. It clearly shows the same design which I'm using in my GitHub account. Hire a 24/7 AI workforce, run with just one command, autonomous agents that can research, plan, and execute. And this slideshow is really beautiful with all the benefits which I requested. And these lines are exactly from my GitHub account. 0 to a working agent in 5 lines of code. 100 plus large language models, specialist agent, agent that can remember, learn, MCP, planning, self-reflection and guardrails, a dashboard for your AI workforce, faster initiation time, and all of this really nice. Next, if I want to make a modification, I'm just going to click comment. I'm going to choose this, just say make it bolder, uppercase and bigger, and then send to Claude. That will automatically send the information here to make the required modification directly from the interface. And this is exactly what I requested for AI workforce. Next, if I want to like a diagram here, I'm going to draw. I'm going to say I need a lobster here. So I'm drawing it and then started typing. I need an animated lobster. And then clicking the send button here. That'll automatically send the information here to the left hand side. Meanwhile, if I have design files, I can add that here in this folder for reference, or we can even see all the files created in this page. And now you can see a lobster on the right hand side. The colors are exactly matching what I had before. How easy it is to create a PowerPoint presentation with interactive animations. Next, if I want to make tweaks, I can click this tweaks. It's same as before. I can add a comment here and then it'll make those modifications. Next, I asked for a prototype of a loading indicator, 200 times 200, a globe spinning. So as a result, I got this loading indicator. So hereafter, you can directly use this to create all the loading indicators. Next, I asked, create a very large editable text box pre-filled with sample text. For certain words like fire, smoke, metal, wind, render visual plus particle effects that match the word. So here you can see, just because it's electric, it's like electrified design. Wind is wind, leaves are leaves, ice means ice, and water means water. And I can even add words here. So if I type wind, automatically the wind is blowing. If I say ice, and the ice is automatically coming right here. Interactive. Next, create a calculator construction kit. A simple calculator, UI with loads of tweaks. So that's what we see here. Tweaks means different settings to modify this layout. So here is the layout design, and the tweaks means you have option to change the design based on what you like, and you can test it. You got the skin color, whatever color you like, square, pill or rounded, bezel, warm color, neutral, cream, ink, what are the font colors, layout, screen, and many options here. So all of this is based on these tweaks. So I just asked here, and based on that, I got this output. Next is creating a wallpaper, futuristic operating system, 5 different variations. And based on the mouse move, you got the changes here, plasma, lattice, metal, warp, and then grid. Next, I gave animate 10 different text streaming animations for a chat app. And based on that, I've got different streaming variations. So you can see the variations here slowly coming through. And similarly, you can compare various designs and choose the one what you like. Next, I asked it to create an animation, and it brilliantly did an animation. As you can see here, it also shows the commands which I normally type to get the code running. And this is really interactive, and it showcases the benefits and the different features and the built-in tools as well. This is really good. To do like this, go to from template, and there you choose animation. There you give a project and ask what you want to build, and automatically that'll get built. Next, I uploaded AI job market dataset, which you can directly upload from here. So once after you upload, I asked prepare interactive chart with this data, and here is the output. AI job market overview. What is the median salary? Different countries. So this is based on the data which I uploaded. Salary heat map, and for each role, how is the variation looking like? So all these charts you can just create with just uploading one file. As simple as that. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Claude Design, I also created another video about Claude Managed Agents, a great alternative to OpenClaw. I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.